Hey everybody. So in a previous video, I published a how-to on Follow Me. And it's just the way I've always done it. It was the way I was taught, gosh, 15 years ago or something like that. No, I guess it would be less than that. Maybe 10 years ago. Um, anyway, 10 years, more than 10 years. And it's just the way I was taught to do it. And I was looking at other sources thinking, I wonder if there's a better way of doing this. And I found one. And so what I'm about to show you is credit to this person, Justin at SketchUp Essentials. The link will be in the comments below this video if you'd like to see more. He's an incredibly powerful user of SketchUp and way beyond my skill set. So if these videos get you where you need to go, great. If you want more, if you feel like you need more than an introduction to this software, then 100% I recommend visiting Justin and watching his stuff. Super talented guy, explains it very, very well. Anyway, so without further ado, I'll share with you what I learned from Justin. Um, and it is simply that, before I had believed that you needed a path for follow me, right? So there's my path. And then you needed a shape to, extrude along that path. And so what I had always done is, oops, not that. I had done something different. But what I had always done is started out with a box. In this case, I'm going to draw the desk I drew yesterday. So very, very simple, 42-inch transaction top, 1 foot wide, 42-inch tall desk, 1 foot wide transaction top. It's about 1.5 inches thick, comes back over about 10 inches or so, comes down, and so I went up 42, came back 1.5. So now we're sitting at what? 40.5. So I'm going to go down 10.5, and that surface should be at 30. And so that's about a 2 foot deep. So let's say 24 inches. Another 1.5 inch thickness for finished material plus substrate, comes back about 18 inches, allowing for a 6-inch profile structure. So that's in essence the thing that I wanted to model, right? It's just a very simple desk profile. And what I would have done in the past is selected that element and using the move tool plus copy, so the control button, I would have moved it over to the profile so I could extrude it along. And what I would have done, as I demonstrated yesterday, is using the follow me tool, I would highlight the thing and then pull along the path, right? That's what I did. That's what I showed you. And Justin, and I guess I'm sure someone taught him, I don't know, but he was like, "Oh, you shouldn't be doing that way." I was like, "Really?" So what way should you do it? And so I'm going to show you what he showed. And so he selected the path first, right? So that guy selected, then the follow me tool, and then the profile. Isn't that crazy? Like, that's crazy to me that it's that simple. So I was like, no, 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 no. I have to be doing something wrong. It can't be that simple. And so I was like, all right, well, let me just draw another shape. So I'm going to draw, over here, I'm going to extrude another thing. And I'm not entirely sure I have to do this either, but I'm going to figure that out here in a second. So I'm just going to draw a circle, right? Just a simple circle, and delete everything else. And I'm just drawing it in the Z plane, right? In the vertical, so that my profile doesn't do something funny. At least I don't think it will. So I'm going to make sure I have follow me open, and then I'm going to select the line, right? Use the follow me tool, hit that. Uh-oh. What happened? Why didn't that work? Is it because of the height of the thing? Is it because of where I drew it? So now I'm going to do my old way. So I'm going to double click that. I'm going to copy it over. I was looking for the midpoint. I don't see the midpoint. That's right. I'll use the endpoint. It's fine. Click. All right. Now I'm going to use the follow me tool the way I would have done it. So that worked. I don't know why. Well, maybe you need to play with it. But anyway, I thought it was super fascinating that the tool that Justin had showed works really well, really fast, and he was showing it, like using a floor plan, and you can extrude a shape along. A shape. Let me show you that. One last thing. So let's say, I wanted to, follow me along a shape, right? So again, I'm going to choose that circle, and I'm going to choose just the shape. I don't think I have to double click. I think it's just the face. Choose follow me. Boop. Yep, it did. It worked. I can't tell you how much time that would have saved me in life. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. So again, check out um, uh, check out Justin at SketchUp Essentials for more advanced topics, and hopefully you found this valuable. Have a great day.